Hello everyone, my name is Kim Jin-myung, and this presentation is about the implementation of a demo program based on Detect MGC. Again, my name is Kim Jin-myung, and my partners are Shin Jae-won and Hyun-jun Ho. So let's get started. So in these years, LM is widely used by students and developers, and for and this is important for academic integrity and safety to identify LM-generated code, well, or so-called machine-generated code, which is MGC for short. To identify LLM-generated code, we developed a demo program based on ATC method, which is called Approximated Task Construction method. So this method uses the open source model to guess the original prompt or task of the given program, and we might generate several different versions. Then after generating the approximated task, we will concatenate these tasks and code together. Then we will calculate the probability distribution of each token, and we call, well, in other words, forward passing. For each token, we will calculate their entropy, and this entropy will be used, will be used to identify if it's machine generated or human written. Yeah, after calculating the entropy of each token, we will calculate the average entropy of these tokens. And in the end, we will calculate the average score of these versions, um, especially when we're using several different approximated tasks. Yeah. And in the end, if the score is higher than the threshold, well, in other words, epsilon, then it will be human written. And if it's not, then it's machine generated. And yes, vice versa. And this is the overall architecture of our method, of this method. So we have an input code here, then we will ask the open source LLM, which is called Llama, to try to generate approximated task of it. Yeah, this. Then we will put them together to calculate the score. Then, yeah, with this function, with this formula. Then we will decide if it's human written or machine generated based on this threshold epsilon. If it's higher, then it's human written and vice versa. So as you can see in this graph, there is a difference between human written code and machine generated code with their entropy. So in our demo, it supports two detection models. Yeah, CodeLlama 7 billion and CodeLlama 13 billion. And we also support user to edit the number of approximated tasks to be generated, 1, 2, or 4. So this is our demo video. As you can see, you can paste your program in the yeah, you can paste your program there. Then you can just run the detector. And now it's generating the approximated tasks. And since we selected there one for approximated tasks, I mean n equals to one, so we're going to generate only one approximated tasks. And it's still generating. This takes time. Yeah, the detection is completed. It has successfully generated the approximated task. Then yeah, it give the result. It's human written. As you can see, the mean entropy is higher than the threshold epsilon. Yeah, this is the result, and these information are given for reference. Then you can also use the original task for detection if you have one. Yeah, it will improve the performance, but not significantly. Yeah, actually no big difference. Yeah, and when you are using the original task, it will be faster. Yeah, it will faster than using approximated task. Yeah, it's still human written. And of course, you can also detect without a task, without generating task, just with code only. You can also do it, and it will also give you a result. It will also give you a result. Again, human written. So this is the end of our demo video, and thank you for your listening.